You are not losing your life in dramatic ways. You are losing it in tiny moments that feel harmless. The first 5 minutes after waking up decide more about your future than most people realize. Your eyes open, your hand reaches for the phone, and before your brain fully wakes up, you are already absorbing stress, noise, opinions, and urgency from people who do not even know you exist. That is how distraction becomes identity. Then the unfinished tasks begin stacking quietly. One ignored message becomes anxiety. One dirty cup becomes mental exhaustion. One delayed decision becomes another week of avoidance. Psychologists call this cognitive load. Your brain keeps unfinished things alive in the background, draining energy even when you are trying to rest. The dangerous part is that most people never notice the damage while it is happening because bad habits feel normal long before they become destructive. Every repeated action is shaping someone. The question is whether that person is becoming stronger or weaker. Improve slightly each day, and your confidence compounds quietly. Ignore yourself slightly each day, and your standards collapse the same way. That is why successful people protect small habits with almost obsessive discipline. They understand that identity is built through repetition, not motivation. Multitasking destroys this process completely. You switch between videos, messages, emails, and distractions so often that your brain forgets how to focus deeply. You feel busy all day but fulfilled by nothing. Silence now feels uncomfortable because your mind has been trained to escape itself. Then comes complaining. Most people think venting releases pressure, but repeated negativity teaches the brain to search for more problems. Eventually, frustration becomes automatic. Your attention stops looking for opportunity and starts scanning life for disappointment instead. The solution sounds too simple to matter, which is exactly why most people ignore it. Put the phone away after waking up. Finish small tasks immediately. Focus on one thing at a time. Sit inside discomfort without escaping it. Learn to say no without guilt. Write one honest sentence before sleeping. These habits look insignificant, but real transformation rarely feels dramatic in the beginning. It feels repetitive, quiet, and almost invisible. The people who change their lives are not superhuman. They simply stop waiting to feel ready. They act while fear is still present. They move before confidence appears. And eventually their brain learns a powerful lesson. Action comes first. Confidence follows later. 1 year from now, your life will reflect the habits you practiced in silence every day. So tomorrow morning, before the world steals your attention again, ask yourself one brutal question. Are your habits building your future, or quietly destroying it while you scroll and call it normal? Nobody suddenly changes in one perfect moment. Change happens when a person becomes tired of betraying themselves through daily choices. Discipline is not punishment. It is self-respect, practiced repeatedly, especially on mornings when comfort feels easier. Excuses sound convincing, and nobody would notice if you quit again.